How do design flaws, materials, and environment cause failures? Imagine using a product only to find it stops working or even causes harm. That's often due to issues with how it was designed, what materials were used, or the environment it faces. Design flaws happen when a product's concept or engineering doesn't fully meet safety, usability, or functional needs. For example, if a device has a charging port placed where it's impossible to use while charging, users might try to force it and damage the port. Sometimes, rushing a product to market without enough testing leads to dangerous failures, like batteries overheating and causing fires in hoverboards. Design flaws can also come from not understanding how the product will be used or the environment it will operate in. If a tool is made without considering how it will be handled or what conditions it will face, it might not work properly or could be rejected by users. Materials play a big role too. When the wrong materials are chosen, products can break down faster or become unsafe. Using cheap or low-quality parts in a vehicle might save money initially but can lead to dangerous situations like spontaneous fires or parts falling apart. Over time, materials can degrade because of corrosion, fatigue, or wear. If a product isn't designed with these factors in mind, it might fail sooner than expected. For example, electronic devices exposed to moisture or heat without proper protection can stop working early. Materials that aren't suited for the environment can crack, rust, or corrode, causing mechanical failures. Environmental factors include things like temperature extremes, humidity, chemicals, or mechanical stresses. If these aren't considered during design, they can cause products to break down prematurely. For instance, a gadget exposed to high heat or moisture without proper sealing might fail quickly. Mechanical stresses from vibrations or impacts can also weaken parts if not accounted for. When environmental conditions are ignored, even the best designed products can become vulnerable. A good example is a battery in a hot climate without a cooling system. The heat can cause the battery to overheat and catch fire. Failures often happen because design flaws, material choices, and environmental factors interact. If a product is designed without considering how it will face real-world conditions or what materials it uses, it becomes more likely to break. For example, a smartphone built with cheap batteries and not designed for high temperatures might overheat and cause a fire. To prevent these failures, engineers need to test thoroughly, select appropriate materials, and understand the environment where the product will be used. This careful planning helps products last longer, work better, and keep users safe. Small oversights in design or material choice can lead to big problems down the line, so paying attention to these details is essential in making reliable products.